Hi guys. I've been so caught up in mommy duties that I have had little or no time to take care of myself. This conro I'm going to be using in this video, I've had this conro for like 2 months. 2 months, guys, and then it's began to even give me rashes on my face. But then I had to summon courage to actually lose this hair. As you could see on this video, I was already lying down. I got done with what I was doing and I laid down on the bed to actually get some rest. But then I said to myself that no, get up and go lose this hair because my face was already rough because of the dirt coming from the hair.
2,000 years later.
Um,
Sorry, did you see the email I sent to you? The one
so we're doing French
Yeah, I did,
tips.
and I rescheduled all your
We're going to be
meetings
using this white
instead. Yes, and I
gel
will
polish
reschedule as soon as they give me a new date. Okay. You're welcome. Have a good night. Have a good evening.
for the tips of my toe. I already did the base off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. So
This camera, this technology,
let's get to work.
is a turning point.
These are my brushes.